What I see happen a lot of the time is before creators go ahead and start posting videos, they think they need to fork out a lot of money to upgrade their equipment, when in reality, you can simply use what you've already got to start making videos on YouTube. Hey guys, it's Tennille here from Shaw Social. In today's video, we're going to be discussing YouTube gear and equipment and when you should consider upgrading. One of the most important things to consider is stick with what you've got. I know a lot of us want to go ahead and purchase the most amazing camera, webcam, a new microphone. We just want to make our quality the best possible. But before you go ahead and upgrade any of your gear, make sure your content is the best it could possibly be. Many viral videos are shot on an iPhone or another smartphone or a really low quality camera, but no one cares because the quality inside the content is more important than the quality of how it looks. Don't get me wrong, you can reach the point of, recording on an absolute potato of a camera and the mic audio being just atrocious. So there is a point when you need to consider upgrading your gear. This video is aimed at everyone that has 0 to about 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. So about the time before you start earning AdSense money on YouTube. Don't spend money on equipment until you see progress on your videos and on your channel. Basically, don't jump the gun. It happens a lot when people find a new hobby. They go out and spend a truckload on things they think they need to pursue this hobby instead of just getting the hang of it in the first place. So I'm actually going to discuss some gear for two types of videos. Sit down videos or out and about videos. Firstly, I just want to reiterate, guys, there are so many ways to use what you've already got at home. Your smartphone to record vlogs and even sit down videos. Most webcams nowadays have a microphone built in. Yes, it's not the best quality, but it is a starting space. And also laptops. They all have a built-in mic and a built-in webcam. Start there, see if you can make some good content, and then once you start progressing, this is the gear that you need to take into consideration. Firstly, sit down videos like this one. Now you can find cheaper alternatives online, but these are the three that I use to get started. Firstly, I used a Logitech C920 webcam and I still use it to this day. This webcam is probably, at least minimum 5 years old, and I still use it in nearly all of my videos on Shaw Social today. You can pick one up for about $65 on Amazon, and I will provide links in the description down below to everything that I talk about in today's video. Next thing is microphone. Now, even over my Rode Podcaster, the microphone that I highly recommend to anyone starting on YouTube, and if you're gonna put money back into your channel, this is where you invest, is on a Blue Snowball. They're going for about $70 on Amazon at the moment, but you could probably find one cheaper on eBay. I picked up mine for about $50 or so 5 years ago. And this last one is optional, lighting. I would highly suggest just sitting in front of a window like I do, open the blinds so you let in that natural light. It is the most appealing look when it comes to lighting, but if you do want to go ahead and invest some money in some lighting, I can link a light box down below, roughly about $40 for one soft box. All right, moving on to gear that you'd need if you're out and about. Camera, don't buy anything. If you've got a smartphone, use that. But a lot of the time, some of our lower end smartphones don't actually have the best microphone. So I would recommend getting a basic lapel mic, clip it into the microphone port on your iPhone or other smartphone, and just attach it to your shirt or yourself anywhere close to your mouth, and it ups the quality tenfold. Now, because you are out and about, I would highly suggest getting a tripod, and I would just go with whatever is cheap and nasty to start off with. I found one for about $30 on Amazon, and it looks pretty awesome. It actually looks very close to what I've got. I think I paid like $20 or $30 for mine, and I actually have my webcam sat on it at the moment. But don't feel like you need to purchase any of this brand new. Go to garage sales, check out Gumtree or Craigslist for Americans, jump on eBay or even the Facebook Marketplace. I've picked up a lot of my gear secondhand for a fraction of the price. Just make sure it's good quality and in working order and you're good to go. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave me a like down below and subscribe if you are new and haven't already. What gear do you guys use? Let me know in the comment section below. Is there a piece of equipment that you swear by and refuse to ever give up? I'd love to hear from you guys. Have a good one. See ya.